Dizzy Christmas is stick number 25. I ordered it that way so that it would happen on December 25th. So this flame pattern right there is what kind of suggests Christmas to me. And so I paired the stick up with some red. Frankly, I just made the batch of pink, and I was looking for places where I could throw pink. What's exquisite to me about this stick, number one, is the curly maple. You can see the curl pattern in there, even as heavily spalted as that is. That's wood that was so punky that I could have broken it in two just in my hands. But after being stabilized, it's, solid, mostly plastic at this point. And so it's fortunate that it retains a lot of that curly pattern, because the more degraded the wood is, the less pronounced that curl is. And then all of these black squiggly lines are from the fungus that ate the wood. The section right here, it always gives me a kind of eternal feeling. This side and on this side, you see the letter C is very pronounced. The chatoyance, the chatoyancy, chatoyancy. That's that French word chatoyancy, making already letter C's look translucent, like they're popping off the stick. That's chatoyancy, French word. And then up on this end, we have more curly maple with lots of squiggles and a whole lot ruddier kind of complexion up here. This got some of those blacks getting into the wood itself, along with the black squiggle lines, and the curl in the wood is very pronounced on this end, a whole lot more than it is on the fat side. The name Dizzy Christmas came because when I first looked at the colors of the stick, I thought Delta Zeta's colors were like these, and so Dizzy Christmas kind of brought in the eternal symbol there for me, and the whole thing just kind of works. This is a special stick, along with getting the Purple Heart shaft that could be used for breaking. I was hitting with Purple Heart last couple of days ago. Purple Heart isn't just a break shaft. A person could put a lighter or a softer tip on there, and you would have a very firm shot with, I believe, a ton of control. This is a hell of a nice stick. Well, there's where you can just play with it in the light and get all kinds of different things going on. Just sit and look at it for hours like that. Dizzy Christmas.